Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I got some new makeup in. I have been wanting to fill my collection of all of the BH Cosmetics mini zodiacs, and so these three complete that collection for me. Today I'm going to make a pastel goth look using the zodiac Libra. And the reason I chose that is because I've looked at the colors, and to me they're just ugly. Like, this is not something I would choose to wear on my own. It's just not. But before I get into swatching those and everything, alright, well, I said pastel goth, but it's going to be a pastel goth look, just this part of my body, because I'm not dressing any different. I'm going to do things a little backwards and put my wig on first. I've already got my foundation and did a little bit with my brows. But I've got this pink wig by the Charisma, and it's one of those cheap Amazon wigs. And I've never taken it out of the box before. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by putting the wig cap on. They sent me a nude color, oh, there's two of them. So, my sort of my natural skin tone, so that's nice. Yeah, this wig, I've been wanting to try it, but I just haven't really had the opportunity. So we're going to do it today. And I'm not going to glue it down, I don't think, because I'm not really planning on wearing it anywhere. Alright, so just taking the wig out of the box. I'm looking at it, it's a little more orangey tone than I wanted. I was hoping it was a pale pink. I love the natural curls it has in it. Yeah, since my hair right now is dyed black, I thought putting the wig on first would help me keep the makeup in perspective. Let me go ahead and cut the lace. Alright, this is a really lightweight wig. It seems like it has a pretty decent plucked hairline already. Let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Oh no, it has that just out of the box look. Alright, as much as I do like this wig, I think it needs to hang some and lose some of the box look. So I'm going to pick a different one. Alright, we'll have to try the pink one again another day. I'm going to use my gray one, which really makes me look older wearing it, but I'm hoping that once I get the makeup looking the way I want, then it'll all tie together, you know. We've got everything looking like it's just out of the box today, my background. Alright, now let's take a look at the BH Cosmetics Mini Zodiac Libra. And I want to do a few swatches, but you already know what swatches look like, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Alright, I can't even really see the colors on my hand, even though I put primer on my hand because I anticipated this happening. I'm just too pale for this color palette to look good or to even show up. Alright, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on my eyelid before I get started. Make it good and white. Give me a good white base to work with. Alright, I'm going to use this palest pink, kind of a pinky purple, first to start as a transition shade up here. Alright, now I'm going to deepen the pink some by using this darker pink here. I want that pink also underneath on kind of the outside portion. I want to use the blue color right on my eyelids. Ooh, it's very crumbly. This color's not really wanting to show up a whole lot, but I think I'm making it work. It's very shimmery. I'm using the color from the middle of the palette to throw a little highlight on my cheeks. Normally something I would not do much of, but I think it goes with the pastel. I'm going to do a little bit of a real pale pink blush as well. Okay, I'm going to make the eyeliner pretty exaggerated, and then put on some lashes. I'll be right back with that finished look. Alright guys, I feel like my lighting is not the best right now, so I'm not sure how much of this you're able to see accurately. Sorry about that, but yeah, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Bye.